Millie. This is Plum.
Hello!
Welcome to Kids Cooking School. We are so glad that you are here.
Hey, Mrs. Millie!
Yeah.
I have a joke for you.
You do?
What does a duck eat for breakfast?
I don't know. What?
Quacker oats!
That's
Get it? Like Quaker oats, but quacker because it's a duck.
Yep, I get it. That's a funny one. Speaking of oats, today we are making oatmeal.
I'm not sure about oatmeal. Isn't it just brown and mushy?
It is if you just have it by itself. But the great thing about oatmeal is that you can put anything in it and make it taste however you want.
Okay, I guess we can try it out. Do we cook oatmeal?
We do. This time we're going to be using a microwave. So if you're going to be making oatmeal with us, make sure you have a grown-up nearby to help you out. And always ask permission before you make anything.
Being safe is the most important thing.
Now let's begin. Oatmeal is such a yummy breakfast or snack. And it's great if you have allergies too, because oats are naturally gluten-free. But sometimes the oats can be contaminated, so make sure that you get a package labeled gluten-free.
Oh, you should be very careful there.
Yep, but if you don't have allergies, then you should be able to eat any kind. There are a few different types of oatmeal. There are steel-cut oats, rolled oats, and quick oats. They are all forms of oats. It just depends on how broken down or even partially cooked they are. Steel-cut oats are the least processed and they take the longest to cook. Rolled oats are in the middle, and quick oats are just like they sound, the quickest. We are going to use quick oats today.
I don't know if I ever tried oatmeal. It just looks too mushy to me.
Yeah, it does look a little mushy, but the great thing about oatmeal is that you can add whatever you want to it and make it taste however you want.
All right, I guess I'll try it out.
It's good to try new things. Today I have my friend Audrey here to help us out.
Hi, Audrey!
One thing that you have to remember with oatmeal is that if you're making oatmeal for 1 or 2 people, you do 1 scoop of oatmeal and 2 scoops of liquid. And it can be any liquid. It could be water, milk, or even almond milk. And when you first mix it up, it doesn't look like much, but it expands and it gets bigger. So it's always better to use a smaller scoop first and then make more if you want more.
That's good to know. 1 oatmeal and 2 water.
Yep. So Audrey, can you scoop our oatmeal into our microwave-safe bowl? And make sure you use a microwave-safe bowl. You don't want to use anything that's going to hurt the microwave or hurt the bowl. So 1 scoop of oatmeal.
1,
And then how many scoops of water?
2.
2. So I'll help you pour the water. 1 and 2.
2.
Audrey, can you help Plum stir?
Yes.
All right, I think that's enough. And now we need to put it in the microwave. With oatmeal, it's usually about 1.5 to 2 minutes, but you can look at your package directions to make sure. Now make sure you have a grown-up to help you out so that you know how to use your microwave. But with our microwave, we're just going to push the number 2, and that'll give us 2 minutes. I think now's a perfect time to do a dance. Well, that was fun.
My furry's crazy.
Dancing can do that. But now is also a really good time to get the rest of our ingredients out for our oatmeal. Audrey, what's your favorite kind of oatmeal?
My favorite kind is with applesauce and cinnamon. It does sound yummy. It is yummy.
My favorite kind of oatmeal is actually with frozen berries and yogurt and a little bit of protein powder. It is so good.
The microwave beep! Now what do we do?
Now this is where we need to be really careful, and you need a grown-up just in case. And we need to use a towel or oven mitts to carefully take the bowl out of the microwave so that we don't burn ourselves.
What do we do now? First we add the applesauce. Do we measure it? No. You can put any amount of applesauce that you want. I like lots of applesauce. I do too. Then we do the cinnamon. How much do we do? It doesn't really matter, but I like to do a quarter teaspoon so that I don't do too much. That's a good idea. Too much cinnamon can be spicy.
That is true.
Then we stir it. That looks a lot better than just brown mush.
That does look delicious. Plum, do you want to try some?
Yes, please.
What do you think?
Yum! Excuse me. I'm excited to try different types of oatmeal now.
Me too. I love oatmeal. And remember, the more you practice, the better you will get.
And it's okay to make mistakes. Just try to do a little better next time.
If you enjoyed this video, hit the like button and push subscribe to see any of our future videos.
It's the big red rectangle!
And if you make any of our creations, make sure you have your parents tag us on Instagram @KidsCookingSchool.
We would love to see